This is number 33, and talking about chapter 3. I'm going to do parts A and part C for this. This is simply writing a formula for the ionic compound that forms between each pair of elements. And so for part A, we're looking at calcium and oxygen, and for part C, we're looking at rubidium and bromine. So in order to come up with the formula for these two elements coming together to form a compound or a molecule, we first have to simply just go to the periodic table and get the elemental symbol. Calcium stands for its elemental symbol is Ca, oxygen is O. If we look a little bit further, we see that calcium is part of group 2A. And remember, these guys always love to have a +2 charge. If we look at oxygen, it is part of group 6A. And these guys always like to have a -2 charge. And so if we put these two elements together, the calcium +2, the oxygen -2, the charges cancel out. And so that is the ratio of one element to the other, 1 calcium to 1 oxygen, as a result of the charge canceling out to give us this neutral calcium oxide. For part C, it's looking at rubidium and bromine. Rubidium on the periodic table is Rb. Bromine is Br. Rubidium is part of the group 1A metals, and so it always has a +1 charge. Bromine is part of the group 7A. These are the halogens, and they have a -1 charge. And so again, we bring these two together to form our compound. We have a 1-to-1 stoichiometry or 1-to-1 ratio, since our rubidium is +1, our bromine is -1, to make rubidium bromide.